Well, good morning, everybody. It's late. It's almost 8 o'clock Saturday. Um, I am just exhausted. We got, it's homecoming this weekend, and what that is I think it's like the 158th year they've done it, where the whole town just kind of comes together and there's a big, parade. They've got carnival, fireworks, just a big what to do. A lot of people from around the county also come to town. Yeah, it gets pretty busy. And we had the fireworks last night with the parade and the little, they got a bunch of little booths, local vendors and stuff. And then today, and that's why I can't really get started doing anything, because the carnival, or not the carnival, the parade starts in about 2 hours. So yeah, we're going to be down there doing that. Zoila does the whole chili cook-off thing down there. She's actually won first place quite a few times for that, and some salsa, so that's pretty cool. But I'll tell you what, I can't wait for it to be over. It's just, oh my goodness, it's a good time, but it's just an exhausting weekend. It really is. But so yeah, I'm just kind of muttering around the shop this morning. I've got the WS4200 tore apart here. Not really tore apart. I took the back cover off of it because I'm going to be changing the oil. But again, I can't really get into that right now because I got to be ready to go soon. So I'm just kind of looking for little things to do here and there as I kill time, I guess. I should probably clean this workbench up. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I don't know. Another thing I got to get done today or tomorrow is I got some spray foam, and I only got one can of it, so I'm not sure how far it's going to go, but I want to spray foam the shop here. I don't know, I don't know if you could see up here, but I put blackjack and silicone along the I-beams over the years, because that's where it like leaks. That's where the roof attaches, and these metal buildings are notorious for that. But I want to try in a few spots to spray foam, just to see if that helps seal it up a little bit. Don't know if it's going to work, but ultimately this building's going to be tore down in the next, I don't know, maybe a couple of years. I wanted to get to it a year or two ago, but I haven't yet. But yeah, that's the plan, and we'll probably pick up quite a few other little projects on the way, in between all the, the weekend festivities. Yeah, like I said, it's a good time, but I'll be glad when it's over. Things are back to normal. That'd be great. Well, so it is 2 o'clock right now, and we went to the homecoming. Zoila went in the chili cook-off thing, but we didn't get a chance. They went on a couple rides. Lizzie ended up, she wasn't feeling good, so we came home, and halfway home, bam, every piece of candy came out all over the car. So I got that airing out. I don't have any fans in here because they're all out there, so I can clean it up. But I'm just sitting here. She's in the house relaxing, and I think I'm going to start spray foaming, but I don't know. I'm not sure how to go about it. It makes me a little nervous. I don't know why. I don't know how much power spray foam has, to be honest. I don't want to put it like up between the beams here and have it like push the, you get it. So I think I'm just going to have to do it and hope for the best. So I'll see if I can't get that camera in a good spot. We'll probably just do a time lapse through it because I don't want to, I mean, you guys, I'm sure you guys don't want to sit through all that. So we'll get to it. Alright, so the spray foam may have been a mistake. I almost think it's too hot in here. I didn't even read the directions, but I bet it's saying not when it's 100 degrees. So I don't have my mic on now, so it's not going to sound great, but I've made a mess. I've stepped in it. It's like dripping. So I'm going to let it sit. I might come back to this tonight. That's why I did so much to get that cleaned up. because I've only got the one can, so it's gotta do something. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for a while, and I'm gonna come back to it. I probably should have read the instructions. Alright guys, so 2 jobs today. Number 1 is we're going to change the oil in the Craftsman WS4200 4-cycle trimmer. That's going to come later though, so we're going to set that aside. First job, before it gets too hot, is I need to install these on the house. These are 2.5-inch little louvers. They go up in the eaves to allow airflow through the attic. The problem is where your eaves are like that, I don't have anything that can get up in there. My drill is too big, so I purchased this. It is a DeWalt DWAMRASETFT. Is that the actual model number? Looks like it is. Wow. Anyway, this is a device where you can put a right angle attachment on top of any 1/4-inch impact driver, drill, or anything. So that's what I'm going to do. I've already got a 2.5-inch hole saw, but I bought a Craftsman CMAH1 SET7. It's a 7-piece hole saw kit. It's got a much deeper hole. I don't think the one I have will drill through a 2x4 because it's a low profile. But I don't think this one will fit up there because it's too high a profile. So if I'm thinking about this right, I need to start the hole with the low profile bit, and then get this one worked up in the hole and then finish it out. At least that's what the thought process is. Either that, or I'm going to do a lot of stupid stuff today. One or the other. So let's get this piece. I'm specifically interested in this because I was looking at right angle drills, and the cheapest one I really didn't want to buy, just because I don't want to buy, I don't know, it was a Cobalt brand, 24 volt, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them. I wasn't feeling spending $120 on a drill that I was going to use one time. So I spent $39 on a fairly diversified tool here, if I can get it all out of here. Get into the packaging. So this is your little angled angle guy that does what you could imagine it do, which I'm not going to be using. I'm just going to be using, oh, I think it goes that way. Got to actually look. Come on. There's like zero cooperation going on here right now. Oh, you know why? Maybe I should do it right. Oh my Lord. Okay, so that's going to drop into there. Or is it going to drop into this? Okay, there you go. So it drops in there, turns and locks. It's got a little button up there to lock. A little handle. You got your little extra, which I'm certain I'm going to use this. I don't know. I don't know if I want it. Let's see here. I might just use this one. I don't know. We'll get up there and we'll see. Got to get some holes drilled. I'm not going to talk during this whole thing. I'll probably do a time lapse, but let's get to work. All right. I've put some silicone around it still, but now I just have to do that 400 more times. Actually, it's upside down. Come on. There we go. Like I said, I got to silicone it still, but all right. Lots more to go. So it's dustier than hell out here. I'm making some progress though, but I gotta think of, I don't know, I gotta think. This thing here, oh, shadow, sorry, that gets hot, as well as the hole saw obviously, but that gear box, oh my goodness, that gets hot. So I'm gonna think of a couple things. I gotta get, there's insulation in the holes, I gotta get blown out of the way, so I think I'm gonna drag the air compressor out here and see if that helps a little bit, so stay tuned. It's about as much as I'm getting done today. Now I need to go in and relax. Thanks a million for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.